It is 9 a.m. Wednesday, February 5th. This is the current weather condition here. As you can see, it's a little bit snowy out here in Farmington, New Hampshire. Where the snow continues to come down. It's actually quite pretty, but I wouldn't want to drive in it. But you can see here it's accumulating a pretty good pace here on the trees. And accumulating at a pretty good pace on the dog. Are you ready to go in? Are you ready to go in? Yeah, let's go in. Good idea. You ready to go in? Hey, give me 5. Give me 5. Good boy. Okay, we'll go in. Yeah, we'll go in. We're going to go in.